Hello everyone! I will show you how easy to make meatballs at home. 500 grams of strips beef. We need to use boneless and skinless meat. Now this is washed and cut as strips. For this process we need to use food processor. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of 5 Chinese spices. This is optional if available in your home. 1 full spoon of cornstarch powder, 5 cubes ices. The ice cube will help when blending to get smooth texture. Then lock the food processor and start the button. You need to grind till we get smooth texture. Let's check it now. Wow, it's perfect texture. Boil the water in 1 pot. Once the water is boiling nicely, then slow down the heat. We need to prepare ice water to put the boiled meatballs. Once you put the boiled meatballs in cold water, the process of cooking will stop. Now let's start making meatballs. We need 1 cup of normal water and spoon. The reason is to avoid the stickiness in hands. First I wet my hands with water. Now take some meat and shape the meatballs. Then drop it in the hot water. As you can see now, our water is not boiling, bubbling, because we pre-boiled it already and keeping in low flame. If you drop the meatballs in bubbling hot water, the texture of meatballs will damage. So it's important to keep it in low heat. Once the meatballs are ready, it will pop up on the surface. Keep doing the same process till all the meat finishes. Now all meatballs are up and ready to remove. Remove all meatballs and put it in ice water. We will keep 5 to 8 minutes in ice water. Now let's stir the water and keep it in strainer. Once the water is gone, we will transfer it in the plate. Keep it in room temperature for 20 minutes. Let's check our meatballs. Wow, they are so spongy and tasty. Now you want to use immediately, or if not, you can store in the freezer. Meatballs are not fully 100% kill bacteria yet, so we need to boil again before you make your recipes. Now you can make your own meatballs easily at home. Enjoy and don't forget to share or experience if you try it at home. Bye.